on the show.
Thanks, Abdi.
A lot of developments happening within Kenya just after the elections. The president has also come out indicating that he will be ensuring that the housing program is given priority. I just want to get your quick reactions before we get into the substantive issues around the construction business.
Thanks, Abdi. Yeah, good question. And I think in terms of the construction industry and housing project, this one area that we're really excited. Immediately after the elections, His Excellency the President has actually rolled out the map, and he says he wants about 250,000 units annually to be rolled out of housing projects. And this one area for us as East Africa Portland Cement and generally the cement industry is really excited and actually want to really gear ourselves, and we're already positioned to take part of this cake in the construction industry.
Interesting.
Yes.
And of course, Mr. Oliver, there's a lot of expectations in regards to the cost of construction in the country, and you are in the cement manufacturing business.
Yeah.
As a business, first and foremost, how is business picking up just after the elections?
So, Abdi, thanks for that question. Business is picking up well. The construction industry has bounced back. It has come at a time when we have just finished refurbishing our plant, which is one of our targets to do. And therefore, yeah, there's a good pickup of cement for us. We have a daily growth of our sales, and this is very exciting to have. And in terms of the cost of production and the price of cement, Abdi, one thing that is very clear that for us to get good prices of cement in the market, the manufacturing industry has to focus on two main things: this operational excellence and innovation. One of the things that we've just done by refurbishing our plant is to make sure that we play in the field of operational excellence, where cost of manufacturing has to be low, cost of inputs has to, because you might not control cost of inputs, but also innovation. And towards this, especially innovation, the cement industry, which has traditionally been driven by standards that were borrowed from our colonial masters, that's mostly from Europe, has to change, and engineers have to think out of the box. And one of the things that we have done as Africa Portland Cement is to actually come up with innovations. And already in the market, we have launched a new cement, affordable, called Green Triangle Cement. We've traditionally traded with Blue Triangle Cement, but now our customers and the construction industry will be able to enjoy this new product of Green Triangle Cement, which is affordable and fit for use, and already certified by the Kenya Bureau of Standards, and it's already in our shelves. So we're excited about this industry actually, and want to give Kenyan a more affordable product.
And Mr. Kirubai, of course, all this stems from you constantly innovating to keep the business going when you look at the bigger picture. And of course, the company has had a dark past in regards to performance, and we're seeing a subtle change happening in terms of the turnover and, of course, the growth of the business. Talk to us about where the business is currently at. Is the business at a better standpoint in terms of the books? And also, of course, what do you see in the long term in regards to turning around the business?
Thanks, Abdi. So in terms of how the business is looking, it's looking brighter. Actually, for us at Portland, we're calling it a new dawn. And we have actually embarked on what we call it a solid turnaround strategy. 3 years ago, the board of directors came up with many focusing on turning around the business. And the last 1 year, we've really embarked on this strategy solidly. We call it a solid turnaround strategy. So the company is looking bright, it's looking better. And in the cement industry, because when you talk about cement manufacture and turning around a business, you focus more on the manufacturing arm. That is one area that we have focused on, and we have closed that milestone, operational excellence, which in the turnaround strategy, we came up with actually a 5-year strategic plan to turn around the business, which we've embarked on, made up of 5 pillars. And one of them was operational excellence, market regeneration, financial stability, about our people, and also about a better planet.
All right.
So right now we've hit one of the biggest pillars, which is operational excellence and innovation, which is moving very well. So we have plenty of product, and that speaks better things for Portland as we go along.
Well, speaking about better things to come, of course, there's also competition from foreign companies which are in the cement industry, and we are seeing a lot of interest by Nigerian companies to set up shop in Kenya.
Sure.
How will this play out, especially in a very free market where a customer goes for what is cheap for them?
So, Abdi, you are very right. There are many people who are interested in the Kenyan business. And just before I answer how we're going to play into this, the reason why people are interested in the Kenyan cement business is because they see growth. Because if you look at the whole of East Africa, this is the time the East Africa region has woken up to infrastructural developments, which in Kenya alone, in the next 5 years, we talk about the government spending about 5 trillion shillings on infrastructure. We're talking about surface infrastructure, that is roads, buildings, bridges, all that. So everybody wants to come in. And so we're prepared for that. In terms of competition coming in, yes, I think we are ready for competition. Because, Abdi, one of the things that we are really out to see is how competition from outside will get cheaper electricity, cheaper coal, limestone, all these things, and talent is actually found in Kenya. So I think it will be healthy to compete, and I think we are ready for the competition.
Will this see a drop in cement prices? How soon will we see a drop?
Yes, with time, Abdi, actually cement prices will drop. However, the construction industry and basically the cement manufacturing industry is under great pressure from the cost of inputs. The Ukraine and the Russian war has made cost of coal all of a sudden jump up, because Europe, that benefits from the coal from Russia, cannot buy from Russia. So where they turn to Africa. The main sources of coal in Africa are basically South Africa, Mozambique, and now in the latest of events is Tanzania. Now, all this demand coming to this Indian Ocean region has pushed coal prices up. So anybody coming to the market will face this challenge. So, yes, it is calling upon now the cement manufacturers to really become innovative and really look at where they can make their operations very efficient. And that's where Portland, East Africa Portland, is already playing, where we want to give an affordable product to our customers through innovation. And toward this also, we have partnered with universities. Actually, we have signed an MOU with MB University into this area of research and innovation. Because traditionally, the cement industry has relied on standards and cement prescriptions that are inherited from our colonial masters. But a time has come where the region has now to chart its way forward. And that's where we are playing.
And Mr. Kirubai, as we wrap up this conversation, the company has also been faced with this challenge on people sitting on your land, the squatters. And this is an area that, of course, is currently being tackled at the Ministry of Lands level. But I just want to get your quick input. How are you turning this around, especially now that this is prime land that the company can convert to grow its asset base?
Well, Abdi, at the moment, the company is really concentrating on the core business, that is cement manufacture. However, in terms of squatter, that's a reality that's with us. We look forward to working with the new administration, really to seeing how we can play in this field, settling Kenyans that are actually entitled to settlement as squatters, which is one of the ambitions of the new government that has come in, and we are working closely with them to see how they can help us maneuver this, and then we go about it. However, I would say as a business for us, we are concentrating more on cement manufacture and building Kenya. And those other issues, I'm sure the government will support us and will sort them out.
Of course. And in your parting shot, of course, the viewers listening to you, they are looking forward to hearing how soon will we see cheaper cement prices. By what percentage are they likely to come down? Let's say by December.
Well, we are looking at Abdi for our customers. By parting shot is, first of all, it's a new dawn for East Africa Portland. They should look forward to getting their beautiful brand that I've enjoyed for the last 90 years, since 1933. And more other products coming in, innovation products that will be more affordable. And we're looking at prices dropping maybe by about 5 to 10%. And this actually is highly dependent on also the cost of inputs and innovation. But we can promise our customers they'll get the quality product they've been getting for Blue Triangle Cement, a cement that has stood the test of time for 90 years. Kenyans trust it and want to leverage on that strong brand heritage to give Kenyans what they deserve and our customers.
All right, many thanks there, Mr. Oliver Kirubai, the CEO, East Africa Portland Cement. Thanks for coming on board. Well, a lot to expect in the construction business, even as competition continues to intensify. Well, coming up right next, we have BBC Money Daily. Thereafter, we have My Market Story. Don't go too far.